Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about contact and non-contact forces. In this lesson, you will be able to describe contact and non-contact forces. At the same time, we will be able to name the different types of contact and non-contact forces. Are you ready? Every day, objects move, stop, fall, float, or change direction. These movements happen because of forces. What is a force? Force is a push or a pull that can make objects move, stop objects, change their direction, change their shape, or change their speed. Forces can be classified into contact and non-contact forces. Contact forces. A contact force exists when two objects are physically touching each other. This force can cause an object to move, stop moving, or change the direction of its motion. The direction of motion of an object is the same as the direction of the contact force that causes it move. Example, if you push a cart forward, then the cart moves forward. Types of contact forces. Tension force. It is a force that is transmitted to a string, rope, wire, or metal chain. When pulled tight to support an object or to restore the pulled object to its original unstretched length. These are some examples of tension force. Tug of war, wherein the rope tightens as both teams pull. Hanging decorations, the string holds the weight of objects. And fishing, the fishing line pulls the fish. Friction, it is a force that opposes the relative motion of two objects whose surfaces are in contact. It helps objects slow down or stop. These are some examples of friction. A ball is slowing down on the floor. Walking and running wherein friction between shoes and the ground prevents slipping. Brakes on bicycles or cars, friction stops the wheels from turning. And writing, pencil or pen produces marks because of friction against paper. Air resistance. It is a type of friction due to air pushing against a moving object. Examples of air resistance are leaves falling slowly and a parachute slowing down a skydiver. Applied force. It is a force applied to an object that is being pushed or pulled, wherein direct force is applied on an object. These are some examples of applied force. Opening and closing doors, either pushing or pulling. Pushing carts at grocery stores or markets. Carrying bags by pulling the handle or lifting the weight. And sports, kicking a ball, batting in baseball, or pushing during volleyball serves. Normal force. It is a support force exerted by an object to another object that is in contact with it. The support force of a surface acting on an object resting on it. Like the force that the table exerts on a book. The normal force is always perpendicular to the surface. These are some examples of normal force. Tables and chairs supporting objects and people. Floors supporting our weight as we stand or walk. And bridges supporting vehicles. Spring force. It is a force that is exerted by a spring as it is stretched or compressed. These are some examples of spring force. A pogo stick bouncing. The spring inside the stick compresses when you land and then pushes you back up. A Jack in the Box toy popping up. The spring inside is compressed, and when released, it pushes the toy upward. And a car suspension system. Springs in the car absorb shocks when driving over bumps and push the car body back to its normal position. Non-contact forces. A non-contact force is a force applied by an object to another object at a distance or without direct contact. It is sometimes referred to as an invisible force. This type of force acts through space with no medium required. And these are the types of non-contact forces. Gravitational force. It is a force of attraction between two objects which depends on their masses and the distance between them. A force that pulls objects toward the center of the Earth and the continuous revolution of the Moon around Earth. These are some examples of gravitational force. Fruits fall to the ground, rain falls to the ground, jumping wherein gravity pulls you back down, and Earth's orbit around the Sun and Moon's orbit around Earth are held by gravity. Electric force. This is the force of attraction or repulsion between two charged particles. These are some examples of electric force. When you rub a balloon on your hair stands up or balloon sticks to wall because of electrostatic force. TV screens attract dust because of static electricity. And static cling, which means clothes stick together after drying because of electrostatic force. Magnetic force. The force between two opposite poles is called the force of attraction or attractive force, while the force between like poles is the force of repulsion or repulsive force. And these are some examples of magnetic force. Refrigerator magnets that stick to surfaces. Magnetic locks. Doors in malls and banks often use magnetic locks. And sorting metals in recycling plants wherein magnets pull out metallic items. Nuclear force. It is the weak or strong force that holds the neutrons and protons close together in the center of the atom. These are some examples of nuclear force. Nuclear reactions in the sun. The sun produces energy because nuclear forces bind hydrogen atoms into helium during nuclear fusion. This process produces heat and light. Smoke detectors. Many smoke detectors use a tiny amount of radioactive material. Nuclear force keeps these atoms together until they release small particles that help detect smoke. Energy from nuclear power plants. Nuclear reactors use nuclear force inside atoms to release energy. This energy is used to generate electricity that powers homes, schools, and buildings. And medical imaging or CT scans and cancer treatment. Hospitals use machines like PET scanners and radiation therapy that rely on materials held together by nuclear force and their controlled release of energy. Once again, forces can be classified into contact forces and non-contact forces. And these are the type of contact forces: tension force, friction, air resistance, applied force, normal force, and spring force. And the type of non-contact forces are gravitational force, electric force, magnetic force, and nuclear force. Identify what is being described in each item. You may also write your answer in your notebook. These are the items from numbers 1 to 5. Let's check your answers. 1. The force that pulls objects toward the center of the earth. Gravitational force. 2. The force that slows down moving objects due to rubbing surfaces. Friction. 3. The pushing or pulling force applied by a person or another object. Applied force. 4. The force that acts on a rope when it is pulled tight. Tension force. 5. The force responsible for the attraction and repulsion between magnets. Magnetic force. For numbers 6 to 10. Let's check your answers. 6. This is the force of attraction or repulsion between two charged particles. Electrostatic or electric force. 7. The support force of a surface acting on an object. Normal force. 8. The force that keeps planets orbiting the sun. Gravitational force. 9. It is the weak or strong force that holds the neutrons and protons close together in the center of the atom. Nuclear force. 10. A force produced when a spring or elastic material is stretched or compressed. Spring force. And for the last items, 11 to 15. Let's check your answers. 11. It is a push or a pull that can make objects move or stop. Force. 12. It is sometimes referred to as an invisible force. Non-contact force. 13. A force exists when two objects are physically touching each other. Contact force. 14. The force that helps objects slow down or stop. Friction. And 15. The force that keeps the moon orbiting around the earth. Gravitational force. Identify whether the force is contact or non-contact. Then name the type of force. You may also write your answer in your notebook. These are numbers 1 to 5. Let's check your answers. 1. A book resting on a table is being pushed upward by the table. Contact, normal force. 2. A rope pulls a bucket of water from a deep well. Contact, tension force. 3. A boy pushes a heavy box across the floor. Contact, applied force. 4. A car slows down because the rough road rubs against the tires. Contact, friction. 5. A stretched spring snaps back to its original shape. Contact, spring force. For numbers 6 to 10. Let's check your answers. 6. A magnet pulls a paper clip without touching it. Non-contact force, magnetic force. 7. Earth pulls objects downward. Non-contact gravitational force. 8. An atom's nucleus holds protons and neutrons together. Non-contact nuclear force. 9. A crate is lifted by a crane using a steel cable. Contact tension force. 10. A tennis racket hits the ball. Contact applied force. And for the last numbers, 11 to 15. Let's check your answers. 11. Quarks are held together inside a proton by a strong force, not contact nuclear force. 12. The attraction between Earth and the Moon, not contact gravitational force. 13. Lightning forms due to attraction of charges, non-contact electric force. 14. A compressed spring inside a pen pushes the tip outward. Contact spring force. And 15. Two magnets repel each other. Non-contact magnetic force. Read each statement carefully. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. You may also write your answer in your notebook. And these are the items from 1 to 10. Let's check your answers. 1. Gravity is a non-contact force. True. 2. Friction happens even without touching. False. 3. Magnetic force can attract or repel objects. True. 4. Normal force is a pushing up force from a surface. True. 5. Spring force only works when springs are stretched. False. It also works when springs are compressed. 6. Electrostatic force is a contact force. False. 7. Magnets need to touch objects to attract them. False. 8. Contact forces need two objects to touch. True. 9. Friction always helps objects move faster. False. And number 10. Electric and magnetic forces are examples of non-contact forces. True.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.